Alright, so the agent is built, the tech works, but none of that matters if I can't find someone who will actually pay me for it. But wait, if you are new here, I'm building an AITMS agency completely from scratch and I'm documenting the entire process right here. So in the last two videos, I chose real estate agent as our target niche and I've explained everything like why I chose real estate agent as our target niche. And in another video, I built complete AI agent for real estate people which we are going to sell them as a service. So if you want to watch this video, then you can watch it later by tapping around this video. Now let's get back to today's topic, and this is where it gets real. Okay, so I'm sending 100 cold emails to real estate agent across the UK and USA. So if this thing doesn't work, the whole thing was pointless. So the pressure is on. Let's see if I can actually do this. Okay, so as I said, I'm going to send cold emails to real estate agent across the USA and UK, right? So in order to send the emails, we need 100 emails to send, right? So we're going to use Google Maps to scrape their website, and then we're going to find their emails from there. Okay, so basically we're going to find 100 real estate agents across UK and USA combined. Okay, so as you can see here, we've just got the result, and in order to scrape all the websites of this real estate agent, we're going to use this tool called Instant Data Scraper, right? This is basically an extension, you can download it easily. So in order to scrape all this website of this real estate agent, we're going to way down. Once we come way down, then we're going to basically tap on this instant data scraper tool. As you can see here, the data is started scraping from here. So as you can see, we just got entire data, right? So we don't need all of this, we just need the website, right? So this column only, and the name of the real estate, right? So we don't need this all things, so we're going to basically remove it from here. Okay, so as you can see here, we just need the name of the real estate and their website, right? So we are going to store this all data into Google Sheet. Okay, so as you can see here, I've just got the entire data, the name of the real estate agent and the website of the real estate agent, right? So I've just got 48, and now we need more of 52, right? So let's do that exact things again. Now again, we're going to tap on this instant data scraper and we're going to scrape all this data, right? Okay, so as you can see here, we've got over 100 real estate agent website. Now we need to scrape the emails of all these agents, right? Not all, we just need 100, right? So we're going to scrape the email of 100 real estate agent from this. So let me find 100 emails from this all real estate agent website. And yes, finally we got the 100 emails of real estate agents. Okay, so now we've got the email of the real estate agents. Now we have to write the outreach message in order to send the cold email, right? So while writing the outreach message, we have to remember these 5 points which makes our emails more professional, you know. So the first is subject line. So we have to write the subject line in a way which grabs the attention of the business owner or whoever we are writing the email for. So for example, as you can see here, here's just some example. But before, as you guys already know what our product is, our AI agent is being able to answer the users instantly, can be able to book the appointments, and they can be able to store the data into a CRM. So based on that, we have to write the subject line or the entire email, right? So as you can see here, here's some options. Quick question about the lead response time. So basically the real estate agent used to take a lot of time to respond leads, right? But our AI agent is being able to respond the lead instantly. So this is going to the best subject line in order to send the cold email. So same is like here's our also AI system for the company name. So we can basically enter the name of the real estate agent whom we are sending the email, right? Or you can use something like lose leads at night, I build a solution. We can simply add the real estate agent name, and we can add something like AI assistant for property inquiries. But I'm going to use this first one because it looks more professional, right? So the second is, as you can see here, personalization. So we have to write at the opening in such way that our email can be able to convince the real estate agent that we have researched about the business. So for example, as you can see here, I came across the name of the business while researching real estate agency in the city that is located, and I noticed you handle a specific property type area. We're going to enter based on the business we are sending the email, right? And then we're going to ask a quick question: when potential basically leads or customers message you at 10 p.m. or when you are showing properties, how do you handle those inquiries? And then after this we are going to add the features of the AI agent that you have built, right? So for example, as you can see, respond to property inquiries in under 30 seconds, 24/7, book viewing appointment automatically, handle common questions, deposit availability, pets instantly, store the data into a CRM, never missed calls or message, so that it made the real estate agent think like if they need or not. And then after writing the features of our AI agent, we need in the last the CTA, call to action, right? So that if real estate agent is interested, then they can be able to message us or whatever our CTA is. Based on that, they're going to take action, right? So to convince the real estate agent more, we are going to write something like the results: the agents are closing 30 to 40% more leads because they never lose anyone to slow response time. I'm currently looking for 2 to 3 agents in your city to pilot this 50% off in exchange for feedback. Would you be open to quick 15-minute demo call this week? I can show you exactly how it works. You can book a time here. So here we're going to basically add our calendar link or whatever you guys use. So I'm basically going to use a landing page that I built for my agency. I'll show you in a second, or just reply to this email if you have any questions. So we are going to also add this one, and at the last we are going to add our agency name or your name. And if you have any video like where you explaining your services and the pain point of the businesses, then you can of course add here. But in my case, I'm going to enter here the landing page that I've built for my agency, as you can see here, and I'm going to enter this exact landing page right here at the place of city, right? So basically once the real estate agent tap on this link, they're going to land right here in this page. Okay, so they're gonna watch this video, and if they are really interested, then they're going to tap on this book a free demo, and then this page open, and here they can be able to book the appointments based on their desired time. Okay, I built this on base 44. As you can see, I haven't bought any domain yet, but soon I'll gonna get one. So you can create this kind of landing page easily by using tools like base 44, lovable. So if you want to build the landing page like this, I have also uploaded videos. You can watch it by tapping here. This is the right. So yeah, this is the entire outreach message template. You can say like template. So now I've got the emails of the real estate agents, and we've also got the outreach messages that we're going to send. So now let's send the emails to all the real estate agents. Email sends. Now it comes to the hardest part, waiting. And let me be real with you what you can expect from here. Out of 100 emails, we can expect that 40 to 50 agent is gonna actually open the email, and maybe 5 to 10 will actually respond. And if I'm lucky, one will actually get on a call with me. So those are the cold email statistics, and basically that's just how it works. But here's the thing, I only need one client to make this entire thing's worth it. So here's what happened next. If I get response, any response, I'll show you everything in the next video. The interested, the not interested, the rejections, like all of it. No hiding the numbers. But if I get nothing, then in the next 3 days, I'm going to following up to the exact agent with a different angle, and you will see that process too. Either way, the next video shows you the real result, the real outcomes of 100 cold emails. And see, if you are watching this and you have better ideas like better subject line, better way to reach real estate agent, please drop in the comment. I'll try anything that works. And one more thing, if you're a real estate agent watching this and you're thinking, I actually need this system, don't wait for me to email you. The link is in the description. Let's talk now. And for everyone else following this journey, please hit that subscribe button, because the next video is where we find out if this was all worth it or if I just wasted a week building something that nobody wants. And comment your prediction, how many responses do you think I'll get, and see you in the next one.